Baby, won't you meet me privately? Other baby later, you can show me things.
Hey guys, so I got another wig from Luvme hair. They always come through for your girl. But I got another all day comfort wig. These wigs really have been tea. Like all day comfort? Yes, I need that. But it honestly is comfortable. And I will say this wig did have a adjustable strap at the back of the wig and combs and a wig band. But the comb, I don't know if I did that or if it came but yeah, that was off. But luckily I know how to sew, so I could just fix that. But other than that, the dome cap was mesh, so it's very breathable. The lace is a 7x6, and so it's enough room for parting in the middle or the side. But this wig came in a side part, a deep side part at that, and I love that. It didn't come with no baby hairs. I'm actually happy it didn't, because I feel like when they put baby hairs on the wigs, they kind of go overboard with the plucking. And yeah, I don't want to look like I'm having a bald spot my next install. But yeah, another thing about this wig that I noticed that is a little different than the ones that I got before is that the lace, it's like they cut more off of the wig. So I don't know, like before, I mean, it wasn't too much lace, but before I feel like they would leave like a little bit too much lace, even though it was pre-cut. But honestly, this one I didn't have to touch at all. All I had to do was do a little baby hair or edge, whatever y'all call it. And that was it. I didn't have to do anything else. And I forgot to put color in my part, but I'm not going nowhere, so it really didn't matter. But look at that lace, y'all. And look at the plucking. That looks so natural. I love that. And honestly, I feel like I could have got away just like putting some powder on it that really matches me and going. Hence the Glueless. But I still didn't use glue. But we still gonna apply a little bit of lace bond hold and some lace melting spray, and I think that got the wig perfectly down. Anything, I don't really have nothing bad to say about this hair. It shed a good bit, but I think that was just from me, my first time just combing through it. What else? It's not. I really don't have nothing bad to say about it. The layers in it. I forgot to mention, this is a layered wig. That's the main thing about this wig. It's a layered wig. The layers in it, bomb. And I love the fact that they didn't cut the front too short, like the bang part too short. Because honestly, when it comes to a bang, I feel like, honestly, you could make it however you want to, but I feel like it's best to like have start out with a long bang, and if you want to go short, go short. Cool. But I'm glad they gave us a long bang, so I didn't have to worry about it being too short. But I think I will be cutting the bang a little bit shorter at some point, just to get it to blend a little bit more. But I'm kind of scared because I don't want to mess up the hair, because I really like it. And as y'all can see, the lace melted pretty good. I feel like it really would have melted if I would have like actually used some glue. If I would have used some glue and like actually like really laid this down, this would have like really, it really would have like been melted. But I feel like it did good for what I used. Yeah. And I don't really have anything else to say. I think I forgot to mention the density. The density of this wig is 180, and I believe this is a 20 something inch. I want to say 24, or like I really want to say 24, or because it really comes to like under my chest. But yeah, we're banding up and letting that sit for a few minutes, and then while that sit, we're going to straighten the hair. Now when it came to straightening the hair, y'all, I sprayed some spritz on it before I actually flat ironed it, because I heard on TikTok the girls was saying that that's how you get the best outcome when you straighten your wig. So I was like, oh, let me try it. And really, I didn't really see it when I did the back pieces, but when I got closer up to the front, y'all will see it too. But it, like, the hair stiffened up, and that was the outcome that I was trying to get. I wanted the hair to stiffen up a little bit, because they were showing that on the videos that I was watching, the hair stiffening up, and they combed it, and it just came out so silky. And I'm just like, how did y'all discover this? Like, how did y'all know this? Because look, this is the real math of doing that. My hair is literally tangled, but look at that. Look. Y'all see how that look? But watch when I comb it out. Watch, just watch. Yes. And I honestly was shocked. Like, I've been learning so much stuff from TikTok. Like, it don't make no sense. So right here, I'm just showing y'all before I cut the hair. Honestly, I liked it like this, but I just felt like I just needed to just cut it a little bit in the front, because I felt like it was a little too long. But y'all will see at the end the outcome.
We made these memories for ourselves, with our eyes never closing, hearts never broken, time's forever frozen still. So you can keep me inside the pocket of your ripped jeans, holding me closer till our eyes meet. You won't ever be alone.
I flat ironed it, and I flat ironed it flipping it this way, and this side I flipped it that way, and this is the outcome of that. Like, I just flipped the flat iron this way, and yeah, this is the outcome. I like it, but I still feel like I want to go shorter on my bang. I don't know just yet, but you know, I like it though. It gives me like a leader vibe. But yeah, I pretty much didn't have to do too much to this wig. All I did was cut the bang part. Everything else was just, it came just like this. As far as the knots, the baby hair, I made the baby hair, the little edge piece, like I made that myself. Yeah, just about everything else, it was plucked, it was bleached, the lace was cut, but you know, we're here with it. This is cute, I love it.
Vertical
comment, and subscribe. And I'll see y'all in my next video. I'll leave everything down below if y'all want to go purchase this wig. Yeah.